It's given that the mean for the male newborn is 3238.9, standard deviation 769.6, and then you're also given information on the female's mean and standard deviation. So what you want to do is calculate a z, and it says a male who weighs 1,600 grams or a female who weighs 600 grams. So the formula for z is z equal x minus the mean divided by s. So we want to convert this 1,600 to a z. So 1,600 minus the mean divided by the standard deviation, and it gave me a z of 2.16. And then convert the 1,600 to a z for the females. So 1,600 minus the mean divided by the standard deviation gave me a z of negative 2.65.